What's up everybody, P here from the Sunday Drive, and today we're coming at you with a video showing how to replace the cabin air filter on your C7 Corvette, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is a very straightforward process. All you have to do is pop the hood and come around to the passenger side. And right here above your coolant tank is where you're going to find some clips to remove your cabin air filter. Alright, so to remove your cabin air filter, you will notice that there are these 3 clips right here. So go ahead and lift those up and then slide this black piece of plastic out. Next up, just reach your hand in here and get a good grip on it and slowly pull it out. And there you go. So this is the cabin air filter removed. As you can see, it's a little dirty. This is with 40,000 miles, which I know is not a lot for a 2017, but there is some dirt and dust in there, so it's nice to have some clean, fresh air. So today we're actually replacing the filter with an AC Delco filter. This one is a charcoal filter though, so it should do a little bit better job at deodorizing the air coming in and keeping the interior smelling nice and fresh, although it already pretty much smells brand new, to be honest. So we'll have this linked in the description below. Be sure to check that out if you want to purchase this one yourself. Now before you install your new filter, make sure you check for the arrow of direction. The old filter that came out actually didn't have one on it, but in this case you're going to want to have it pointing down because that is the interior of the cabin. If you stick your head into the hole, you can actually see the blower motor, and that's how you know that that's where the motor is sucking the air into the cabin from the outside. So the top is going to be the old air, the bottom is going to be the fresh air. All right, make sure it is all the way in, and then go ahead and reinstall your plastic cover, but be sure to engage these little teeth at the bottom first, and then you're gonna lift it up. So bottom first. Wiggle it back and forth, it'll lock in so you know it's not misaligned. And then pull down your little clips. And there you go. That's the filter installed. All right, so there you go. That is how you replace the cabin air filter on your C7 Corvette. This video applies to the Stingray, the Grand Sport, and the Z06. If you found this video to be interesting and helpful, and you want to see more content, be sure to stay tuned because we're going to be pulling the engine from this car, which is the LT1, not the LT4, which is in the Z06. But we're going to be deleting the AFM, DOD, and we're going to be putting on new heads. We're going to have new valve springs. We're going to have a new cam, and we're going to be tuning it. So there's a lot coming to this car. The DOD, as you know, is a very big issue with these engines, and it's definitely something that you don't want to have physically in the engine. You can disable it with software, but if you follow our videos, then you'll know how to actually solve the problem. So as always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you here next time.